Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a DIY course contact insert. I'm just going to be using the sticker book, the alphabet sticker book, and the tiny sticker book. And because I'm not using a school planner this semester, like an actual school happy planner, I figured this would probably be the best way to kind of use my half sheets and inserts by creating these DIY pages. So first off, I'm just going to start by decorating the top of the page, and I've covered up the brain dump portion of this planner page, and I'm just taking a few of the stickers from the tiny sticker book and just putting them at the top of the page. Next, I'm just going to take these alphabet stickers and I'm just going to gently place them on top of where the brain dump part used to be, and I'm just going to spell out contacts. So I'm quickly going to learn here that I did not leave myself enough room to place the full word down on this portion of the paper, and so I'm just going to pull the letters up and I'm going to replace them so that way I have a little bit more room to spell out the whole word. Alright guys, I thought I was recording and I guess I wasn't. My camera shut off, and so all I did was draw some lines so that way I knew where to place the stickers, and all I'm doing is taking the bigger letters from the alphabet sticker pack in black and just placing them on that first line that I lightly shaded in. now that I got the course info stickers laid out, I'm just going to take these little push pin stickers and I'm going to place a push pin down for each course that I'm taking this semester. Okay, so I thought that I was going to place stickers, but I guess I am trying to check and see what my color code is looking like, and I think I realized that my color code didn't match the push pins, so I just kind of decided to lay them whichever colors I felt like laying, I guess, in no particular order. So that's all I did there. So now I'm getting ready to fill in my course subjects, and so I think that while I am waiting and stalling here, I'm realizing that I don't quite have my courses memorized just yet. So I'm going to pull up my school app and I'm going to log in to see my courses. I think I tried to hide what I'm putting in, so hopefully you can't see my password, but if you can, I'm sure unless you're trying to pay my school tuition, you don't really want to get in there. So now that I've gotten into my school app, I'm just trying to figure out which course I want to put first, or whether I want to put them in alphabetical order, and how I take my classes. But I'm thinking that I just went with putting the alike course names together. Yep, and then that's all I did. So now all I'm going to do is go ahead and fill in what information that I need for this sheet, and really that's just going to be my professor, my professor's name, my professor's phone number, and then my professor's office hours. And so that's all I'm doing here for the next few seconds, is just filling those in. And I don't quite know who my professors are going to be just yet, because our classes aren't live on our online platform, and so I have to leave them blank for right now. So hopefully on Monday I will know who my professors are. So now that I'm done filling in all of the info that I need, I'm just going to go back into the tiny sticker book and just grab some of those pencil stickers and just figure out I haven't figured out quite where I want to place them, and so that's all I'm doing, is just laying those stickers down for a little bit of added decoration, and that's really it. So as you can see, I'm kind of layering them and pulling them up and then placing them back down, and I'm leaving a little bit off of the sheet, so I will go in eventually and cut those off with scissors. So all I'm going to do here now is open up the pink sticker book and look through it to see if there are any other stickers that I want to add to my page, or if I'm just trying to leave it alone. And as you can see, I'm just flipping. I'm going to go through a few books and see if I want to get any stickers. Like you're going to see here, I'm going to pull a sticker and like try to place it, but it doesn't really go anywhere, so I decided not to place it, and I'm gonna keep looking and looking and looking and looking and looking, and I'm gonna go through a few sticker books, so just bear with me. And finally I will realize that I don't want to add any more stickers. I just want to leave it like this, like kind of plain Jane, and then once I can add the information that I need, I can go back and add stickers if I want to. So here's kind of where I decide I don't want to put any more stickers, and that's pretty much it. So please, if you like this video and you like this DIY, just please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, and I hope you come back next weekend for a new video. I think I will be doing my flip through, so I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, and have a good day.